Welcome to Elixir Mime, workshops and professional theater. I'm Peter Van Gorder, creator and director for Elixir Mime. Elixir Mime is a group of professional mime artists who are committed to training the basics of mime expression for the purpose of creative storytelling for stage and film. Our vision: create and perform unique stories through mime that will inspire and impact audiences. Why mime? Mime breaks down language barriers. It is instant, universal communication. It can be presented with limited resources. On a deeper level, it has the ability to convey the essence of reality through body motion. One of our specific targets is helping the deaf community to enhance their acting skills in order to establish a professional deaf theater. The deaf are naturally talented in communicating through body language. Mime is a way to help them express themselves creatively and find joy in storytelling that moves people. Last year, Elixir Mime successfully conducted 5 3-day workshops in 5 cities throughout India. This year, we would like to expand this program to more cities in Himachal Pradesh and Sikkim and beyond, to other countries that have requested it, such as Zambia, Africa, and Indonesia. Being able to develop and perform a theme through storytelling is a skill that will greatly aid participants in forming advanced communication skills. Mime is a fun way to tell a story. It encourages creativity, it builds self-confidence. Mime helps students use body language and facial expressions to convey a story without dialogue. In this program, students will learn about the storytelling sequence of conflict, crisis, climax, and resolution. Students will learn to develop a meaningful theme and to convey it to audiences clearly. Elixir Mime participants will learn basic principles from tried and proven professional acting methods, view and act out video clips from famous mime artists, interact with participants in drama activities, games, exercises that reinforce important acting principles, gain basic skills in makeup, mask making, costume creation, and using props effectively. Create and perform original presentations. Have an open communication channel with facilitators for future mime development. We welcome your participation in this program. We need your expertise and/or finances to develop this program, to blossom into all that it can be. Thank you. Please contact us today to see how you can be involved. Peter Van Gorder, new to mailbox at yahoo.com. Elixir Mime, movement beyond words.